Now we take you to India's western state of Goa, where tourists and residents flock the beaches and other water bodies in the state to celebrate the most awaited festival, Sao Joao. Every year, people of different faiths come here to mark the festival, which stands for unity, peace and brotherhood. Let's take a glance at this colourful extravaganza.
Goa is a tourist hub known for its beaches. The coastal state, however, accepting and promoting cultural and religious harmony. People of all faiths come here to celebrate, enjoy and spread the message of peace and harmony. A large number of tourists in Goa throng to swimming pools and small ponds to celebrate annual Catholic festival Sao Joao. It's a festival to pay regards to Saint John the Baptist. As part of the celebration, people jump into water bodies early in the morning in honor of Saint John the Baptist, who is thought to have baptized Jesus Christ. People donned in colorful outfits from several villages meet and celebrate the day like a carnival.
Goa has a lot of heritage, culture, tradition. And Goa having a rich culture, heritage, tradition, it is very important for us to show what we have. We have already started the theme of Goa beyond beaches. And as we travel to the hinterland and we start talking about our ecosystem in the hinterlands areas, in ecotourism and other areas, it is very important to take our festivities to the next level. We have only been talking about Shigmo and Carnival. So as we take those to the next level, we need to ensure that festivals which mean a lot to Goa. Sao Joao is a celebration of it's a feast which is celebrated. Similarly, Chikal Kalo. So all communities coming together, irrespective of religion, caste, creed, in Goa has been the theme. We go in each other's house for Diwali, Christmas, Eid. And similarly, festivities, we expect everybody to come together and have this sense of togetherness. And for the domestic and international tourists coming in, as we market it, we expect them to come and enjoy Goa to the fullest, to what Goa has as its own culture and tradition.
Indeed, Goa has remained an epicenter of inter-religious unity among different religious communities. The Sao Joao festival in Goa is a significant illustration of mutual regards that various religious communities have for one another. To take the celebrations up a notch, revelers wear crowns of fresh fruits and wildflowers, traditionally called kopel, to celebrate the occasion. Like many Goans' festival, Sao Joao has a captivating spirit of merriment, color and tradition.
It's a long-awaited festival for us and we enjoy it very well. We love this festival to get wet in the rain and enjoy the different types of fruits and the culture of Goa.
Goa Tourism is organizing this event for the very first time and we are very excited and we are having a lot of fun.
The religious harmony among the communities residing in Goa is testimony to India's unity in diversity. Such instances of interfaith harmony, however, can be found throughout the nation and during festivals. This integrity shines even brighter to show the world why India is exceptional and a global leader in terms of culture.